Hello everyone and welcome back to Food Hashtag Life. Today's video is dedicated to all the chocolate lovers out there. Today I'm going to show you how to make this simple and moist chocolate bread. Now this is basically a chocolate cake which we are going to bake in a loaf tin, and I'm sure you're going to love this. So let's get started and check out the recipe. The very first step is to combine all the dry ingredients. To a large bowl, add 1.5 cups of Maida, that is all-purpose flour. To this, add half a cup of cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Mix everything well and keep it aside. For the wet ingredients, to another bowl add 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and half cup of refined oil. You can use melted butter instead. Whisk it well. Now to this add 3/4 cup of boiled and cooled milk. Whisk everything until well combined. Gradually pour all the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix it well. If the batter is thick, add another half cup of boiled and cooled milk to adjust the consistency. The batter is ready, keep it aside. Take a loaf tin and grease it with some oil or butter. Dust some maida to it. This process will make it easy to demold the bread after it's baked. Pour the prepared batter into the tin. Pat it to the surface a few times to remove excess air bubbles. Bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes. After 50 minutes, you can see that the chocolate bread has baked perfectly. Cool it down completely and remove it from the loaf tin. So there you go, our simple, delicious and moist chocolate bread is ready. Cut it into slices and enjoy it with some coffee, milk or scoop of ice cream. Do try this recipe at home and let me know how it turned out. If you enjoyed watching this video, do hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. For more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and tap that bell icon for future video notifications. On that note, I will sign off. I will catch you guys with a new recipe soon. Until then, happy cooking from Food Hashtag Life. Bye.